Hey guys, hope you are good and well. Here is a current scenario of gold, and current price of gold is round about $450 per ounce. Actually, the market is in a critical position and trap for beginners, and market ranging between 42 to $390. And the support zone is the latest is $3900, and the first resistance zone is $4 to $50, and $4 350 is the second support zone. The market is ranging between these support and resistance zone and making trapping for beginners traders. And here is the first zone, and so here is the second resistance zone. Market is making a completing to M pattern in the current scenario, and volume profiles also shows that the more traders are put trade on this zone. And actually market making a bullish flag pattern in this zone. So here is the bullish flag pattern scenario, and when market reach to this zone, then market retest this zone and shifted towards upward direction. So here is the current scenario of markets, and the market are making a bullish flag pattern on this zone and near to this zone retest and then shifted towards upward direction. The direction is that like to this, and then market continues to breaking making a higher and higher highs in this time frame and on this chart, and making a new record high. So when market if markets break this zone in the upward direction, and then market continues towards upward direction, otherwise market are ranging and not belong to this zone. So also fundamental shows that the legacy report of the and federal FOMC Fed cut rates is also suggests that the October 29 press is suggest and tell us that the goals, and in the light of shifting balance of risk, committee decide to lower targets range for the federal fund rates by 1 by 4, and these are the suggestions to market are making a more critical. Actually, voting for monetary policy action was James, and the medium term outlook remains bullish for gold, supported and remains bullish for gold, supported by safe haven demand and institutional force, but the near term trajectory depends heavily on monetary policy developments, rate cuts, towards hikes, dollar strength, and data surprise. A key fundamental drive is that the softening rate cut outlook has weighed on gold as reduced expectations of monetary easing reduce relative advantage of holding gold. The US dollar remains resilient, making gold more expensive for non-USD buyers and reducing global demand. So here is the report, and 83 point something are traders are in the buying positions. 83.25% traders are in the buying position, while 17 point something are in the short position. And the all chart data open interest is 4855559, and total changes in the last 24 hour is that 8189% traders, and total trader is 353 traders. So Fed also tells that the price release in support of its goals and its light to the shift in the balance of risk, and these are the price and of Fed FOMC cut rate policy. And so here is the final scenario: market are not shifted into downward direction. Here is the last stop of market, then market continues turn U-turn to upward direction. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. Very thanks.